Sellers, you're under contract to sell. Now what? The buyer chooses the closing attorney, and here's what you can expect once they hire our firm. Number 1, info gathering. We'll send your realtor an electronic seller info sheet right out of the gate to get the info we need to prepare for closing and complete our title search. This includes your contact information, marital status, payoff information, HOA information, and proceeds preference. Number 2, info sharing. Once we receive the seller info sheet, we'll send you a seller welcome packet and payoff authorization for e-signature. The welcome packet will cover seller FAQs, policies, and fees so you know what to expect through the process. Once you e-sign the payoff authorization, we'll be able to order payoff statements and cannot close until your mortgage lender sends us those directly. Number 3, document drafting and execution. Some seller docs require notarization, such as the deed. Unless you choose an outside law firm to do so, we'll draft all of those docs and either send them to you to execute and ship back to us, or schedule an execution appointment at our office around your schedule. There is no e-signature or e-notarization option for these docs, so you should plan to make arrangements to execute them with a notary in advance of closing day. Number 4, we'll send financials for review and execution. As escrow agent, all funds flow through our office and we'll handle all disbursements out of closing. A few days before closing, once the buyer's lender sends us their figures, we'll send estimated financials for your review. On closing day, we'll email final settlement statements to you for signature remotely, often via e-signature, since we don't need originals. Number 5, recording. You won't attend scheduled closing. We'll execute docs with the buyer. After buyer signs, the sale isn't final until the deed records, and several things have to happen on closing day before we can do so. The buyer's lender has to approve the signed docs afterwards. We must receive the buyer and lender's funds and all seller docs. And then we'll submit docs to the county for recording. Once recorded, we'll send copies of docs to you for your records. Number 6, we'll disperse funds. Sellers have 3 options for proceeds delivery: check sent regular mail for free, check sent via UPS overnight for a courier fee, or funds sent via wire for an additional wire fee. For security reasons, in-person check pickup is not permitted. We'll send your proceeds the day after recording via your chosen delivery method. If you selected a wire, we'll call you to confirm your instructions over the phone before sending on closing day. We'll mail other disbursements within 2 to 3 business days, and we'll pay off any liens. This is a broad overview of what sellers can expect at Raleigh Real Estate Law. For more information and further details, please refer to our seller welcome packet and other video resources.